back to Laylatopia. I hope everybody's doing well and staying healthy. I really wanted to do a tutorial on how to make hand sanitizer since it's nowhere to be found. But everybody bought the things I needed to make it. Instead, I'm making my own soap. Washing your hands is the best way to stay healthy. Even better than hand sanitizer. As an added bonus, I'll even show you how to make your own sugar scrub. Not only will your hands be clean, but nice and smooth. Ready? Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A block of glycerin soap, herbs or flowers for colors, molds, and oils. First, with the help of an adult, we need to cut the soap into small cubes. Next, you want to take a microwave-safe dish. I have a glass measuring cup. I like it because it makes it super easy to pour. Let's put all these in the measuring cup. Next, we microwave. Take it out, check. It's a little bit melted. Let's put it in for 30 more seconds because it's not melted yet. While it's melting, we can have a snack. Cookie! Once it's all melted, you stir the soap really gently. It's now time to add your essential oils. I'm using eucalyptus oil. I can't really say it, but it smells good. You add 5 drops of oil per ounce of soap. I'm gonna let Mom help me with this part. Set that to the side, get your molds, and begin filling them with your herbs and flowers. I'm using rose petals. Arrange them however you like. Now we're ready to pour the soap into the mold. So our molds are all filled up. Now we let them sit for 1 hour. While we wait for that, we can get started on our sugar scrub. To make sugar scrub is really easy. You only need 3 ingredients. First, you need sugar, coconut oil, or any oil you prefer, and an essential oil for smell. I'm using lavender and fresh lemon. Also, as an option, you can add food coloring to make it fun. Let's get started. I use 1½ cups of oil. Since I'm using coconut oil, I had to melt it down in the microwave. Next, I add sugar and stir. Whoa, this is so cool, you guys. You want to keep adding sugar until it's the right texture. Make sure you mix it really well. Now you add your food coloring. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is totally awesome. I love making soap with you guys. This bowl is a little bit small, so I got a bigger bowl. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. Mix it up really good. Once you have it mixed up, we can add our essential oil. We're gonna add 10 drops of oil, and I'm gonna do this one myself. Smells good. I'm gonna mix that in really good. Will I be able to go nameless today?
What?
What?
Can we focus on the video?
Next, it's time to add the lemon. Once you're done mixing your ingredients, you can store it in a jar. And that's it! Now let's check on our soaps. Oh my gosh! Let's fill them and check how they feel. Yeah, it's hard. Super easy to pop them out. Watch! Look at our heart soap! Oh my goodness! Aren't they pretty? Oh! This is so beautiful, Mom. We're gonna peel this part off because my mom accidentally put a little too much on it. But that's okay because this one still looks very pretty. Yay! We have our finished soap and our finished body scrub. Smells so good. And with this soap and this scrub, your skin will stay extra smooth. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, check down below and press the subscribe button.